Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're on my allotment and we're going to be sowing some beetroot. Just want to show you what they look like. So get it up in the air. Quite big seeds. Got to be 100 seeds in here, so I'm going to get every corner. Sure you get some that get stuck. So just let me get that. That's it. That's them all out. So there. You can sow these in modules, but I'm going to direct sow these. It's beginning of May. So I've got my stakes in, one there, and then all you need to do is use the corner of your spade to get this sorted. You want it quite deep for this, well, not quite deep, deeper than a lot of things, all the way along, like so, right down to the end. And then I'm going to leave about 6 inches in between each sowing, each seed. So something like this, you could do it a lot better. Because you don't want them too close together. You want them plenty of room to grow. Otherwise, you'll just be thinning them out and wasting them. I said there's 100 here, so I could probably get a couple of rows out of this. Nearly there. Yeah, nice tray like that. And a couple more, and that's it. What you want to do then is, once you've done that, you want to go over there and you just want to cover them like so. Just fetch it across like that. It's that easy. That gives them a nice cover, and you don't want them to dry out, you see. If you sow them too shallow, they dry out and you end up wasting them. Once that's done, a nice drink of water. Once that's done, you get a nice drink of water. Give them a really good soak. And that's it, that's your beetroot. So all you need to do then is stick your tags in the end, put your names in, and then you know what you're sowing. So yeah, if you've got any questions on how to sow beetroot, don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.